Part 2.
Advance ABG Interpretation.
Steps.
1. Check the pH. If pH is normal, that is your fully compensated. If pH is abnormal, you have to find a normal parameters. If there is a normal parameter while pH is abnormal, it means that it isn't working. Remember the role. Normalize the pH using the two parameters. That is the golden rule of ABG. To make the pH work, the parameter bicarbonate and partial carbon dioxide should be working. If the other one there is not working and it's normal, we call it uncompensated. Later you will understand it more as the lecture goes on. If all is abnormal. If pH is abnormal, parameters. Bicarbonate is abnormal, partial carbon dioxide is abnormal. That is, partially compensated.
Steps.
2. Pair the pH with the parameter. 3. Interpret. On the Advance ABG Interpretation, there is just added the compensation.
Scenario.
pH 7.11, HCO3 12 pascals of carbon monoxide 11.
Is the pH normal? No. Is the pH normal? No. The pH is abnormal.
So what's the next step? If the pH is abnormal, find a normal parameter.
Parameter 1. Parameter 2. Is the bicarbonate and partial carbon dioxide normal? No. Both are abnormal. The pH is abnormal and both the parameters are abnormal. So how do you call it? Partially compensated. Step 2. Let's interpret. pH is abnormal, so it's acidosis. Acidosis. So you already have the third word. By looking at the pH, you already have two words. Word 1 and word 3, you can already interpret the first and the third word. So we are looking now for the second word. Now let's pair the pH. The bicarbonate is acidosis, and the partial carbon dioxide is alkalosis. So the pH and bicarbonate paired, so we interpret it metabolic. Metabolic, so we interpret it. Partially compensated metabolic acidosis. Partially compensated metabolic acidosis.
Scenario.
pH is 7.22. HCO3 is 24. PaCO2 is 58.
Is the pH normal? No, the pH is abnormal. What is it again if the pH is abnormal? Find a normal parameter. Do we have a normal parameter? Yes. So for the 3 word, we already have the answer for the first word. This is your uncompensated. Here is another rule. If there is a normal parameter, cross it out right away. So how do you call this? pH and partial carbon dioxide paired. This is your respiratory acidosis. And the answer is uncompensated respiratory acidosis.
Scenario.
pH is 7.53. HCO3 is 45. PaCO2 is 51. Is the pH normal? No, the pH is abnormal. What is it again if the pH is abnormal? Find a normal parameter. Do we have a normal parameter? No. All the parameters are abnormal. Parameter 1 is abnormal. Parameter 2 is abnormal. The rule is, if all the parameter is abnormal, partially compensated. So you have your first word now. Second, you have to interpret now. Is the pH normal? No. Is it alkalosis or acidosis? That is your alkalosis. Do we have alkalosis here? Yes. The bicarbonate is alkalosis. pH and bicarbonate paired, so it's metabolic. Partially compensated metabolic alkalosis.
Scenario.
pH is 7.39, HCO3 is 15, PaCO2 is 18. Is the pH normal? Yes, the pH is normal. So if the pH is normal, it's automatic. The answer is fully compensated. Now, how do we know if the pH is acidosis or alkalosis? We have here pH mean value. Remember, the very center of pH is 7.40. pH mean value, 740. If the pH is less than 740, but it's normal, it is acidosis. But if the pH is more than 740, but it's normal, it is alkalosis. pH is 7.37, so it's less than 740, but it's normal, so it's acidosis. So this is your acidosis. pH is paired with bicarbonate, both acidosis. Because your partial carbon dioxide is alkalosis, therefore Ladies and gentlemen, this is your metabolic. Fully compensated metabolic acidosis. So now you know the advanced interpretation of ABG. See you on the third part for ABG analyzation.